Good morning, children. Let us continue the explanation of lesson 10, how things move, force, work and energy. Already we have learned about the force and work done. Now we are going to read about the simple machines. We are going to do the third topic this time. So let us see what are simple machines. Simple machine. Every day you do many jobs with your hands. For example, you carry things in your hand. But there are some jobs which are difficult to do with bare hands. For example, opening a soft drink bottle. Can you open a soft drink bottle with your hand? You will not be able to. You use a bottle opener to open the bottle top with a little effort. So, children, this bottle opener is a kind of simple machine which makes our work easy. Such objects or articles that make our work easier and simple are called simple machines. We use a lot of simple machines in our everyday life. Let us study a few simple machines. So there are 6 types of simple machines: pulley, lever, wheel and axle, wedge, inclined plane and screw. You can see here this is wedge, this is inclined plane, this is screw, this is pulley, this is lever. So let's read about lever first. A lever is a tool which is used to lift heavy weight, open lids and cut paper. It simplifies our work by reducing our effort. Crowbar, bottle opener, nutcracker, nail cutter and seesaw are example of levers. This scissor also is example of levers. So all these make our work easy. You can see here this crowbar is a type of lever which if you give support with a small stone, it can easily lift this rock and pull it away from its position. So this crowbar is kind of a lever. This seesaw also, when one side a child makes an effort, the other person goes up. This is also a kind of a lever. This nutcracker also is a lever and this scissors also is a lever. So it makes our work easy. Then pulley. A pulley is made up of a wheel and a rope running over the wheel. You can see the pulley here. This is pulley and this is the rope moving over it. It has a wheel and a rope on it. It helps to pull heavy objects. It is easier to pull it downwards direction than in the upward direction. Now suppose you take out water from the well without a pulley, then what will happen? You will have to pull the rope upwards. So it will be in opposite direction to the gravitational force, so it will take more effort. But when you put the rope on the pulley and bring it down, then you are pulling the rope in the direction of the gravitational force which is exerted by the earth, so you have to do less effort. So that is why pulley is a kind of simple machine that makes your work easy by changing the direction of the force. So when you pull in downward direction, it is easier. You might have noticed women drawing water from the wells in village using a pulley. Then wheel and axle. This simple machine has a wheel rotating around a small round object called axle. So this is an axle which is going from the center of the wheel and this is a wheel which is moving. A car steering wheel or the wheels of a toy train or this skateboard, you can see the wheels of your toy car are also some of the examples, and this giant wheel also, you can see this is a wheel and this point the axle is passing through it around which this wheel is moving. So wheel and axle is also kind of a simple machine. Now the next simple machine is inclined plane. You may have noticed cars parked on a ramp. This is ramp which is also in front of the gate also. Every house has a ramp in front of the gate to take the vehicles inside or to walk inside the home. Then a ramp or slope is an example of an inclined plane. A plank of wood is used to load oil barrels into a lorry. You can see this plank, wooden plank here at the back of the lorry or truck, and they are putting these barrels in the truck with the help of this inclined plane. Inclined means that is bent at an angle. So you can see this is bent at an angle. Slides on parks, ladders and staircase are some examples of inclined planes. Then screw. Screws are example of inclined planes wrapped around a cylinder having a sharp pointed end. Now you can see this is a sharp pointed cylinder, and this is an inclined plane which is wrapped around this post so to make a screw. So a screw is a inclined plane that is wrapped around a cylinder or a post having a sharp pointed end. A nail also has a pointed end. Nail means keel में भी pointed end होता है, but screws work better with less effort to attach things together because the grooves in the screw, they go and fit into the wood, and then it holds easily and also firmly. Then wedge. Have you seen your parents cut fruits with a knife? A knife has one sharp edge while the other edge is blunt. The sharp edge helps to cut. An axe is another example of wedge. You can see here this man cutting this wood with the help of an axe. Now this axe and this knife is example of wedge. So these were the 6 simple machines. Children, please read the chapter till here, and we will do the last topic left in this chapter in the next class. Okay, see you. Have a nice day. Thank you.